Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making lasagna. I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, let's get to it. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There'll be loads of videos coming. Sorry for the background noise, I'm just trying to distract the kids right now with Moana. So yeah, let's get into what you need. So here I have 4 onions. I've chopped them up roughly, not too small, not too big either. So those are the 4 onions, the medium-sized onions. Half a can of tin tomatoes, but I've added an extra fresh tomato. You don't need to add it if you don't want to. Here I have some green chilies. Obviously the chilies and salt you're going to put according to your own taste. And then I have some garlic and ginger here. So I've got my peppers here. I've got a orangey pepper and a green one, and I've just chopped them up roughly as well. Mixed frozen vegetables. I normally just add sweet corn in, but I don't have sweet corn on its own at the moment. I've got white lasagna sauce here. I also have some bolognese sauce. These lasagna sheets. These ones are from Tesco. So basically what I do is I prefer to get sheets like this and then boil them, pre-boil them, pre-cook them before I pop them into the oven, because I don't like it when it's crispy. So that's what I'm going to be doing with these ones. And then I have some cheese. So guys, this is the masala I'm going to be using for the lasagna. I've got a tablespoon of the mixed masala, a teaspoon of red chili flakes, half a teaspoon of haldi, which is turmeric powder. I've got a tablespoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and a tablespoon of salt. So that's the masala I'm going to be using. Add in some oil. It's about that much. I should add a bit more. Splash. Okay, about that much. And then I'm gonna let the oil heat up a bit. I'm just gonna add in my onions. Right guys, now that the onions look slightly brown, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the garlic, the ginger and the green chilies. So take off. Okay, now we're going to add in the masalas. So I'm just going to pop them all in. Give this a stir. I'm just going to add some water to this. So I'm just using that same bowl that I had the tin tomatoes in, just to get all the juices out. And just going to add water to this. So what I'm going to do now is just going to put the fire low, the heat low, and the let it simmer with the lid on low heat. And then when it's time to put the chicken in, well, the mince in, I'll get back to you. Right guys, this has been simmering for about 5 minutes. 7 minutes actually. So you can see most of the moisture is gone and the oil has separated, which is a good sign. Now to this I'm going to add in the mince. So I'm using chicken mince. I'm going to add that in. Guys, chicken meat lets out some moisture. I'm going to continue stirring this for about 10 minutes or so to get rid of all the moisture that's going to come out of the chicken, and then I'll get back to you once that's done. So about between 10 to 12 minutes I'm going to stir this for on a high fire, and then I'll get back to you. So see you in a little while. I don't want to bore you with me just standing here stirring chicken. So I shall see you in a little while. This has been cooking for around 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in the peppers because I want them to cook through. So I'm going to add in the peppers and stir them in. Guys, I'm also going to just quickly add in the mixed vegetables. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to add in the pasta sauce. So I'm going to add that in. So I'm going to mix that in. Like that. And now there's some sauce left in the jar which you don't want to go to waste. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put water into the jar, quarter way up, put on the lid, give it a shake, and then just going to drop that water into there. Give this a stir. And I'm going to leave this on low fire and let it simmer. At this point you want to check your chilies and your salt, and if there's anything else that you need to add to it, then you can add that in now. Yeah, so I'm just going to put the lid on and let it simmer, and I'm just going to start boiling the lasagne sheets. So I'm going to put some oil in there. As you can see, it's on top. Just give that a stir. I'm going to sprinkle some salt in there. And that a stir as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting in the sheets. Put my finger, guys. Pick them up and separate them so that they don't stick together. This part's optional. If you like to just cook your lasagna just like that, then you can do that also, but I prefer cooking boiling the lasagna before I start, you know, the layering.